Spring is the ideal time to move perennials, and it can seem a little bit daunting to move plants, but it's actually really easy. The day before you're going to move them, water the soil. It helps the plant get properly hydrated, and the soil will hopefully be a little bit more moist and easier to work with as well. Decide where your perennial is going to go and then dig a hole in preparation so you're all ready to go. I give the dug hole a good soak before I get planting. Then I give the area a good weed. Then I take a garden fork and I ease the plant out of its hole, teasing the roots out carefully and leaving quite a wide area around the edge so that the root ball remains intact. The less disturbance to the roots, the better, because the plant's then going to re-establish in its new home much easier. And then lever the plant out of your hole, hold it at the base, never hold it and pull it out by the stems because they could snap off. And then move your plant to your new hole. You might need to dig the hole a bit deeper or add a little bit more soil to change the height. I then like to sprinkle a little bit of Richard Jackson's root booster around the edge of the roots to give it an extra bit of nutrition, and then infill with soil all around the edges and firm it down with your hands initially. And then it's quite good to get the heel of your boot and just firm around the edges, and that will get rid of any air pockets, and then give it a really good water. Finish off with a top dressing of mulch. You can either use homemade compost or strolch or wood chippings, just something to lock in that moisture. And then you're done. You've moved your perennials, keep it well watered, give it a feed every week or two, and it should thrive.